Good evening. I kind of wanted to take a moment and discuss dictionary usage this evening and just some features of the dictionary. Locating information is really a difficult skill, and so I thought I'm going to try each evening to take a different aspect of it and just go over it for the kids to be able to see it and hopefully understand it better. So I have here a dictionary page. The guide words at the top are floss and fluid. That's because floss is the first word on the page and fluid is the last word on the page. And so then that is what we use to determine if a word is going to be on the page. So if I'm looking for the word foul, okay, it's not going to be on this page because I have FL and I have FL. So let's look at a word that unfortunately has impacted a lot of us this week. I have chosen to look at the definition for flu. I've told the kids that a dictionary will tell you how to spell a word, how to say a word, and what the word means. So flu is a noun and it is short for influenza. A dictionary just gives a very, very small amount of information for a topic. We're going to look at later on encyclopedia and see how that's different, but dictionaries, just a little bit of information. What it means, how to say the word, and how to spell a word. So if the kiddos can remember that, they'll be in pretty good shape.